Welcome to Fluent English Daily, the professional way to master the English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent English. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about something very common and yes, very confusing.
Hey friends, I'm John. Okay, quick question for you. Which one sounds right? Do homework or make homework?
And how about this one? Make a mistake or do a mistake? Oh wow, this one tricks so many learners.
If you've ever stopped, frozen, and thought, wait, which one is correct? You are not alone. Really, everyone makes this mistake at first.
Yes, totally normal. English learners all around the world mix up do and make. It's okay, it happens.
But here's the good news. After this video, things will feel much clearer, much simpler.
You'll know when to use do, when to use make, and you'll feel more confident, more natural when you speak. So relax, stay with us, and let's make English simple, real, and fun, right here on Fluent English.
Yes. By the way, Emily, what did you do yesterday?
Oh wow, yesterday was busy. I did some work, made lunch, and later I made a plan for today. How about you, John?
Haha, mine was similar. I did homework, made breakfast, and of course, made a few mistakes along the way.
Yes, that's real life.
And friends, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any fluent English lessons.
Yes, comment below too. Tell us what you did yesterday. We'd love to hear. All right, let's get started and make English super easy and natural.
Emily, can I be honest? Do and make are confusing, really confusing.
Oh yes, totally. And I know why, because in English, both do and make can sometimes translate to do in other languages. So we think, oh, same meaning, easy. But nope.
Exactly. And then we start asking, okay, I want to do my homework, so should I say do homework or make homework? Wow, it gets tricky fast.
Yes, and that's the main problem. English doesn't work by word-for-word translation. Native speakers don't stop to think, do I use do or make? They just know what sounds natural.
Right. They don't check grammar rules every time. They speak by habit. It's all about what feels right in the moment.
Exactly. Habit and fixed phrases. Some words just naturally go together. It's like best friends who always stick together.
So in English, it's not about which word means to do.
Nope, it's more like which one sounds natural here. That's the key.
Ah, now I get it. So if I just focus on the feeling of the sentence instead of translating, it's easier.
Yes, once you understand that, oh wow, things get so much easier. You stop translating in your head and start thinking in English.
And that's when speaking starts to feel natural and confident.
Exactly. So don't worry if you feel confused right now. That's totally normal. Really normal.
And in the next part, we'll show you some simple, easy-to-remember rules that native speakers use all the time without thinking.
Yes, simple, clear, real English. Let's go. All right, John, let's start with rule number 1. And don't worry, this rule is very simple.
Yes, simple is good. So when do we use do, Emily?
Okay, here it is. Ready? We use do for tasks, work, duties, and activities.
Tasks and activities. So things we have to do every day?
Exactly. Daily things, things you need to finish. The important part is the action, not the result.
Oh, so we care about doing the action, not what we create.
Yes, perfect. With do, we don't focus on the final result. We just focus on the activity itself.
Okay, give me some real examples.
Sure, we say do homework, not make homework. Homework is a task, right? School task. We also say do the dishes. It's a daily chore, something you have to do.
Yes, I do the dishes every night.
Exactly. And how about work? We say do your job.
Because it's your duty, your responsibility.
Yes. And one more very common one, do exercise.
Oh, wow, I see it now. Homework, dishes, job, exercise, all daily activities.
Yes, so remember this. Do is usually used for everyday tasks, things you must do, things on your to-do list.
So if it feels like work or a responsibility,
Then do is probably the right choice.
nice, simple, clear, and very real.
Exactly. And don't worry, in the next part, we'll talk about make, and you'll see the difference even more clearly.
All right, Emily, we talked about do. Now I'm curious, what about make?
Ah, yes, make. This one is actually very fun, and the rule is clear, clear, clear.
Okay, I'm listening.
We use make when we create something, produce something, or when there is a result at the end.
Oh, so with make, something appears.
Yes, exactly. After make, there is something new, a result you can see or feel.
Give me an example.
Sure, in the morning, you make breakfast.
Right, before there was no breakfast, and after, boom, breakfast is there.
Yes, that's the idea. Another very common one, make a mistake.
Oh, wow, everyone does that.
Yes, a mistake didn't exist before, but after the action, the mistake appears. That's why we use make, not do.
Okay, that makes sense. What about decisions?
Good one. We say make a decision. At first, you're thinking, then suddenly you choose. The decision is created.
And of course, make money.
Yes, after working, the result is money. So again, make focuses on the result.
So let me check if I understand. Do is about the action, make is about the result.
Perfect, you got it. If something appears at the end, food, a plan, a mistake, money, we usually use make.
Wow, this is much clearer now.
Yes, just remember this feeling. After make, there is something there. Okay, John, now let's put do and make next to each other, side by side.
Yes, this part is important. This is where things really click.
Exactly. So remember this feeling. Do is about the process. Make is about the result.
Process versus result. Okay, show me.
All right, first one.
Do work. We say do work, not make work, right?
Yes, because work is an activity. You're focusing on the action, the effort, the process.
There's no work object at the end.
Exactly. Now, second example, make a plan.
Ah, not do a plan.
Right, because after thinking and talking, a plan appears. That's the result.
Okay, that's very clear.
Last one, do cleaning.
Not make cleaning.
Yes, cleaning is a task. It's something you do. You focus on the activity, not creating cleaning.
Yeah, you can't create cleaning.
Exactly. So if it feels like an activity, a process, something on your to-do list,
Use do.
and if it feels like something appears at the end, a plan, food, money, a mistake,
Use make.
simple contrast, right?
Very simple and very real English.
Yes, and in the next part, we'll look at some very common mistakes learners make so you can avoid them.
All right, now let's talk about something very real. Common mistakes. And yes, everyone makes them.
Oh yes, these are mistakes we hear all the time. Don't worry if you've said them before.
Okay, first one. I hear this a lot. Make homework.
Ah, that one sounds logical, but in English it's not correct.
Right, we don't create homework. Homework is a task.
So the correct phrase is do homework. Focus on the activity, not the result.
Okay, next mistake. Do a mistake.
Oh wow, this one is super common.
Yes, but we don't say that. We say make a mistake.
Because the mistake appears. It's the result of an action, so we use make.
All right, and the third one, do a decision.
Nope, that one should be make a decision.
Again, because a decision is created after thinking.
Exactly. So let's repeat this feeling one more time. Homework is a task, so we say do homework. A mistake is a result, so we say make a mistake. A decision is a result, so we say make a decision.
If you remember the reason, not just the phrase, you'll make fewer mistakes.
Yes, don't memorize blindly. Feel the meaning.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes while learning. That's how you learn.
Exactly. And next, we'll help you practice so you can use do and make naturally.
All right, enough rules, enough explanations. Let's use this in real life.
Yes, imagine this is just a normal morning. No classroom and no textbook. Just us talking.
Yes, imagine this is just a normal morning. No classroom and no textbook. Just us talking.
Exactly. Ready?
Ready.
So, John, how is your morning today?
Oh, busy. Very busy. I woke up early, and the first thing I did was do some work on my laptop.
Wow, already working in the morning?
Yeah, but after that I made breakfast. Simple breakfast, but still, breakfast appeared.
Nice. See? Real life. You do work, but you make breakfast.
Exactly. And after eating, I had to do the dishes.
Of course, nobody escapes the dishes.
True. Then I sat down and made a plan for the day.
Oh, that's a good habit. What's in your plan?
Well, first I need to do my job, meetings, emails, all that stuff. Sounds familiar. And later I want to make a decision about my weekend, travel or stay home.
Big decision.
Yes, and honestly, during the day I'll probably make a few mistakes, but that's okay.
Of course, everyone makes mistakes. That's real life.
So, yeah, nothing special, just a normal day.
And that's the point. We do daily tasks, we make results.
Real English, real life.
Exactly. And you can talk about your day the same way. All right, now it's your turn. Don't just listen, speak with us.
Yes, say it out loud, even if you're alone. That's how you improve.
Okay, first sentence. Listen, then speak. Every morning I breakfast.
Did you say make? Nice. Make breakfast. Something appears.
Great job. Now the second one.
After work, I need to my homework.
The answer is do. Do homework. It's a task.
Perfect. Very, very natural. Now, let's try 3 more. Speak out loud.
Every evening the dishes.
Yes, do the dishes. It's an activity you have to do.
Great. Next one. I always a plan before traveling.
Exactly. Make a plan. You create something. A plan.
Last one. Sometimes I accidentally make a mistake at work.
Yes, make a mistake. The mistake appears after your action.
Awesome. If you can say all 5 sentences smoothly, you're already using real English.
And remember, speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Yes, you're doing great. Keep practicing.
Before we finish, we have a small question for you.
Yes, just a simple one. No pressure.
First question, what do you do every day?
Maybe you do work, do homework, or do exercise.
Second question, what is something you make often?
Maybe you make breakfast, make plans, or make decisions.
You can answer very simply. For example, every day I do.
Or I usually make.
Write your answer in the comments. Short is perfect.
We'd love to read what you do and what you make every day.
And don't worry about being perfect, just be real.
Yes, real English, real people.
Go ahead, leave a comment. Wow, we went through a lot today. Let's quickly wrap it up.
Yes, 2 simple rules to remember.
Do is activity, something you do as a task or daily duty.
Make is result, something you create or that appears after your action.
And don't worry if you can't remember every single phrase, really.
The key is to listen and speak English often.
The more you hear and speak, the more natural it becomes.
Exactly. Slowly, step by step, it will feel real and easy.
So remember, keep it real, keep it simple.
And see you next time on Fluent English.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing and have fun with English.